想睇最新最正嘅 TVB 劇集，咁就一定要上 EncoreTVB.com 啦。
今次 Star Talk 我哋遠赴北京，揾嚟 Matt Damon、劉德華、張藝謀3位堪稱係中外影壇幕前幕後界別最具影響力嘅代表現身。今次佢哋攜手打造呢套奇幻巨製，故事講述外籍僱傭兵 Matt 因為一次事件，同喺長城駐守嘅中國軍隊合作，對抗怪獸饕餮。戲中唔單止怪獸多，人都好多㗎。嗱，不過指揮一大班人做一件事呢，不嬲都係張藝謀嘅專長嚟㗎啦。睇北京奧運開幕式，大家就知啦。而張導呢種才華，仲令到 Matt Damon 深深佩服添啊。
So hi Matt.
Hi.
It's good to see you here in Beijing.
Good to see you too.
I'd like to start by asking about director Zhang Yimou. We all say that he's a visionary director. Do you agree?
That he's a visionary director? Absolutely, yeah. You know, he's also someone who can create on such a large scale and kind of paint on such a huge canvas. There were, you know, moments as I was reading the script, I was going, how is anybody going to do this? You know, how can he do this? So it was really great to get to the set and be able to stand next to him and watch him create this world. He really did build an entire world.
I see. So last time when we talked about how you choose a movie, you said that the director is the most important thing. Is that the reason for you to be in this movie this time because of Zhang Yimou?
Exactly, yeah. It was, you know, ever since I saw Raise the Red Lantern, I've been wanting to work with him, and I just think he's brilliant. And you know, I was chasing him for a long time. And finally I caught him. I love his movies, and you know, I think you know, they're incredible. You care so much for his characters, and the movies look so beautiful, and you know, he can transport you to a completely different world, and he's just brilliant. Every day was impressive, really. I mean, I you know, just watching him capture this you know, this world, and then looking at the final result and realizing how much of it was in his head, you know, because we also had this whole element of CGI where these monsters, we knew what they looked like, and we knew we were fighting these monsters, but they weren't obviously there when we were shooting. So he had to choreograph these massive battle sequences, but at the same time, you know, keep in mind where the enemy was and where the monsters were moving. And so to watch him do that and then to see it all come together was really great. Safe.
I'm fine. Easier. On my count. 1, 2, 3, pull.
You also work with the Chinese production team this time. How was that, and did you learn any Chinese?
I didn't learn any Chinese. We had 100 translators working on the set, so it was a massive production. So half the crew was Chinese and half the crew was international. And that was a really cool thing because it was such a big movie, and we were all there going like, nobody's ever tried to do this before. Like, this is, we're the first, and that felt pretty great.
So not even a single Chinese word?
Well, 谢谢.
Yeah, I see. And you worked with Andy Lau this time.
Yes.
How was that?
It was great.
Do you know that he's the actor of your character in the original version of The Departed?
Of course, we talked
You guys
about
talk
that
about
a lot.
it? Oh.
Yeah, when I got the part in The Departed, I read this script and I went, I really love this script. And then they said, no, it's based on a Hong Kong movie. So I went and got the movie and watched Andy. I love Andy. I love his work. He's a great actor, and he's a really, really good guy too. And you know, we had a lot of laughs working, and he's just really can pull you right into a scene because he's so focused and kind of locked in to his character. So it was very easy to work with him.
至於劉德華今次喺戲中飾演軍師，唔使點拍動作戲，但係同 Matt 就有唔少對手戲啦。對於呢一位來自他鄉嘅拍檔，華仔印象都非常好啊。Hello， 華仔你好。
Hello， 你好。
好開心喺北京可以見到你啦。同 Matt Damon 合作，今次你覺得點樣呢？
佢幾平易近人啦，同部戲差唔多。係啊，我以為即係外國可能大家即係一剔完就會上車咁，即係明星好多。 咁但係佢唔係，佢會喺現場，可能佢因為係我唔知喺我聽即係出邊佢係編劇出身啊，咁所以佢對現場啊，去到現場佢都好肯同其他人溝通啊，咁甚至乎我呢個戲嘅 ending 嗰段戲都係佢諗出嚟嘅。
佢話佢喺現場同你都傾好多偈啊，同埋同你相認咗添，因為大家都曾經係劉建明，係
啊，
都幾有趣，咪同佢喺現場即係私底下傾偈嘅時候。
係啊，同埋佢幾願意同人哋 share 好多即係拍戲啊，或者唔同即係荷里活同香港或者同內地唔同嘅一啲習慣啊，咁樣係咯。
係，例如有啲咩習慣你係特別覺得好深刻？聽佢講完之後，
我有一個覺得佢幾好㗎，佢真係即係成屋企嚟晒拍戲嘅，即係佢會係啊，
即係帶晒佢成家嚟，
成家嚟係，我覺得呢個仲要係極公司負責，
係幾好喎呢個，有得負責嘅話其實
同埋佢好舒服。即係佢會有，即係佢會無論喺任何嘅地方，只要係有地方嘅，佢就會自己圍一個地方啊。咁呢個地方佢會請咗自己嘅廚師啊，咁喺度煮食啊咩咁。咁佢真係好屋企咁樣喺度，係啊。
今次同張藝謀導演即係真係12年嘅時間冇再合作啦。覺得佢有冇啲咩同12年前有唔一樣嘅地方，或者調翻轉佢又覺得你同12年前比有啲最唔一樣嘅地方係咩？
我覺得佢冇太大嘅變化，佢對電影嘅熱誠啊。咁但係我覺得佢今次係好即係個
靈活性，
好靈活係咯。因為始終都係 under 一啲荷里活嘅 production house 底下嘅，咁每一日嗰個進度啊，同埋邊啲嘢佢可以管到啊，邊啲嘢佢未必管到啊，咁佢拿捏得好準確。
同張藝謀合作對 Matt 嚟講可能係一份榮幸，而對華仔就係相隔12年嘅一次重遇。調翻轉喺張藝謀心目中，同佢哋合作可能係一個終於達成到嘅願望都未定啊。
Matt Damon，你覺得他最讓你眼前一亮的地方是在哪裡？
其實我很早就很喜歡他，曾經在上一部電影《金陵十三釵》就考慮用他，當時他檔期不行，他的表演我覺得非常的自然、樸實，讓我看就是那種低調的表演，他不是那種很戲劇化的表演，而且他出道的時候還得的是奧斯卡的最佳編劇獎。心靈捕手是吧？所以一個很全才的演員，一直兢兢業業在做這個事情，我覺得是了不起的一個演員。
那還有就是劉德華，你覺得這12年沒有跟他再合作了，你覺得他跟12年前最大的改變？
我老開玩笑說他是個常青藤啊，他的粉絲一代一代一代直到今天，他一直還活躍在第一線，很難得。一個演員一直活躍在第一線很難得，而且你看他就不老，我覺得他就是一神話了，已經不老了。而且他的工作態度非常好，他非常職業，非常敬業。我們老開玩笑，大陸老開玩笑的送他一個口號叫勞動模範。你知道我們過去那個時代，我們叫勞動模範，那是最高的一個獎賞啊，就說這個人就是一個模範，就是一個工作的一個態度，他的職業道德。所以他是這樣的一個人。他很敬業，騰出大量的時間來。他有英文的基礎，因為香港人受英文的教育，有英文基礎，他還要苦練英文，還要堅持。他說我要讓外國人看看中國演員演英文也不弱，所以他就是很努力。我覺得他方方面面都很努力。這個電影他的動作不多，他是一個軍師，也演一個科學家，對話很多。因為全是這個科學家跟大家講饕餮的起源，講饕餮的來歷，他承擔了一個解釋的功能。
是他未來還可以走很長的路，在這個電影界。
我就沒看到他老過，所以我覺得他肯定路很長。
第一次去導一個長篇的英語的電影，你覺得中間最大的困難度是在哪裡？
我覺得最大的困難度就是這個1+1，就是說好萊塢的大片加張藝謀。這個1+1是很難的，就是說它永遠是兩種文化的東西， 所以你要在这中间找到那个分寸，让它自然，这个特别难。
有没有说中间那个1+1当中，你觉得最大的那个冲突的地方是在哪里？
那有很多了，你要谈冲突有很多了，它可能每一天你都会有这样的讨论，对所有细节的处理，也许大家都不一样。有一点很重要，我觉得也是美国人反复强调的，就是说我们不是只拍给中国人看，我们也不是只拍给美国人看，我们希望拍给全世界看。
對，
在這個基礎上，我們來對話，我們來放棄一些東西，妥協一些東西，我們也堅持一些東西。
拍英文長片唔單止係張藝謀嘅挑戰，亦都係劉德華嘅一個考驗。因為演軍師嘅佢今次有唔少英文對白，聽講華仔喺片場仲好認真準備添啊。
No man has ever taken a tall tale down alone.
I have no reason to lie.
其實我哋中間已經調整過好多次，因為如果以宋朝嘅時候，基本上出現嘅文字英文文字唔係好多嘅，即係因為當其時可能都未有美國啦，咁所以喺裏邊用嘅英文我哋都考量過好多次，但係最終我哋都選擇用返即係現今嘅英文，即係希望，因為佢本身唔係一個史詩式嘅電影，咁所以我哋最後尾都採取返一啲比較大眾化嘅英文。
或者拍過好多唔同嘅電影啦，今次會唔會都當係一部你視為係叫正式進軍荷里活嘅一套作品？因為作為我哋香港觀眾嚟講，我哋覺得係好想你加油，
係咪啊？
係啊，打入
我又
市場
我又未將呢部戲 classify 為荷里活電影。我覺得呢個係一個，即係我哋去到嗰邊，只要佢投資嘅就叫做荷里活電影㗎啦。係嘛？即係只要佢哋做製作嘅，咁其實我哋有太多嘅機會可以開始。咁今次其實我覺得係一個係只係第一次開門，大家睇下。咁亦都未必需要話我要好嚴肅地講我哋中國人嘅故事啊。咁其實可以透過好多唔同嘅合作方法啊，令到我哋嘅電影慢慢就透過唔同嘅方法能夠佔據到唔同
嘅市場。但係開咗呢道門，有機會就當然自己即係作為一個演員都想行入去呢個市場度，再傾下，再佔據更加多唔同嘅版圖啦。
我覺得只要佢覺得我哋適合就得，即係佢唔係因為佢如果唔係因為，當然而家我哋東方人嘅劇本啊或者題材啊，我哋會適合我哋啦。咁我唔 mind 佢哋喺佢哋嘅製作或者佢哋嘅故事裏邊我嘅出現，只要佢覺得我係啱，而唔係為咗生意就得。
明白。咁我哋都期待有呢個機會出現。唔該晒華仔。
OK，
下次香港再見。
好啦。
好。
睇更多 TVB 精彩節目，歡迎詢問訂購優惠18778938888。